Hey, amazing teachers! You know that moment when you say, quiet work time, and students immediately interpret it as, let's narrate our entire lives out loud. Here's the easiest hack ever. Put one silly image on the projector. That's it. One picture. It might be a llama wearing sunglasses, a cat doing yoga, a potato with legs. Whatever sparks a smile. The magic? Students look up, chuckle, settle, and suddenly the room is calmer because their brains got a tiny dopamine snack. My go to, a capybara drinking a tiny cup of tea. Works every time. Here's a concrete way to implement it tomorrow. Choose a funny image that relates, even loosely, to your target language content. If you're talking about food, pop up a picture of a raccoon aggressively eating watermelon. If you're in a travel unit, try a pigeon wearing a tiny backpack. Then, right before work time, give a super short target language question like, what's happening here? Or, what is the animal thinking? Students answer one sentence, get the giggles out, and then settle into quiet mode. You get calm energy without pulling teeth. For an even bigger payoff, swap the image each day and let students guess the theme of the week. Mondays might be animals with jobs, Tuesdays could be vegetables with feelings, and Fridays, well, Fridays are chaos anyway, so pick whatever. Students stay curious, you'll stay sane, and the target language sneaks in naturally. And if you want hundreds of ready to use images, prompts, and story starters that pair beautifully with this trick, check out the CI Survival Kit with Ask a Story slides in French, German, and Spanish at immim.us/kit. It's the easiest prep win you'll get all week. Happy comprehensible input.